Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to connect two LEDs and a fan in a circuit, that is, will make it a parallel connection. Now I will show you how to make parallel connection of two LED and one fan, right? Let us see how it works, right? First, let's see the connection. What you need: we need a 9-volt battery, some connecting wires, one fan with motor, and we need two LEDs, right? You see, we have taken two LED. Here you can see that we have taken two LEDs here, right? One LED and LED, and we will make it a parallel connection to run all the LEDs or all the appliances at a time or one by one, right? How to make that connection, that is important for us, and let us see how it is working, right? Here you see, this is the positive terminal of the battery. It should be connected with the positive terminal. We have taken a red, that is positive. Here we have connected this with this one, right? And this wire is connected to the terminal of the fan. Another terminal is connected to the negative wire, and here is a switch, and this is connected here. This one is connected at the negative terminal of the battery, right? Since we are making it a parallel connection, we will take another wire, that is red. Here you see, this is red one. We will connect this with the positive terminal of the battery, right? And it is connected with the positive of the LED, and the negative of the LED is connected with the switch, and this switch is connected again with the negative terminal of the battery. This switch and this switch is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, right? Because we are making it a parallel connection, right? This is the negative terminal of the battery. Here you can see, right? Here we have taken the negative terminal of the battery, right? We have taken another red wire. We have taken another red wire, and this is connected with this one with the positive terminal of the battery, right? And we are joining this with the positive terminal, joining this with the positive of the LEDs, right? Here you see, this is the longer one. That means we are taking the positive terminal here and joining this with the positive terminal of the battery. Here you see, we have taken it the positive terminal, right? We have joined it on the positive terminal of the battery, and let's see how it is working. ঠিক আছে? Okay, right? Now this should be connected with the negative terminal. Here you see, we have joined both this at the negative terminal of the battery of another one, and this is connected with the positive one. ঠিক আছে, okay. Now you see, now now you see, if we switch on this, we have taken this one as a positive. Now see, we make parallel connection. Since these both LEDs are joined with a single switch, when you switch on, both the LED will glow, right? You see here. Let us take another LED and join this one, and let's see what happens. This is the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal, and we have taken one switch for both the LEDs. That's why when I switch off, switch on one, yes, it is glowing. We are changing this one, it is not working. We have made a parallel connection. Let's see here. Or you can take another wire and join this one with the negative terminal of another LED. Like you see here, both the LEDs are glowing because we have made it parallel connection, right? And if you switch on the other switch, let's see whether the other fan is working or not. Let us see. If you switch on the fan, let's see what happens. Yes, you see, the fan is also working and they are connected in parallel. We have connected one fan and two LEDs parallel connection, and you see all are working together, right? Or you can use switch for one LED also, right? Let us take another switch and join it so that we can use three switch for three appliances, right? Let us take another switch. We have another switch here, you see, this is the slide switch, right? Let us take another switch for this LED and you see whether it is working or not. Here we have taken, let us take another switch and we'll connect this one. Here you see, we have taken one switch for this LED and we'll take another switch for another LED. Here we have taken this switch, right? And now we'll take another LED with another switch. We have taken three switches. This is the positive terminal, this is negative, and let us take another switch in parallel connection. You see, you have taken another switch, we joined it here, and we need here. You see, here we have taken three switches for three LEDs, right? Let's see whether it is working or not. Here you see, we have taken one switch. Here is one switch, and here is one switch. All are connected in parallel, right? Let us switch on this switch, and let's see whether this LED is working or not. Yes, it is working, right? You see, there is glowing, and we have made two LEDs and one fan in parallel connection. Here you see, that is, this LED is glowing. You switch it off. Let's see. Yes, this switch, this is LED goes off. If you switch on this one, let's see what happens. Yes, see, this LED is glowing because they are in parallel connection. If you switch off, this LED goes off. Right, here you see another switch for the fan, and we switch on. Let's see what happens. Yes, see, the fan is also working and it is rotating. Here you see, the fan is working. Can you switch off? Yes, right, that means all are connected in parallel, right? That means we can use one LED, two LEDs at the same time, one LED and one fan, or all the two LEDs and fan all together, because they are in parallel connection. How you have made it? This is the positive terminal of the battery, this is connected with the terminal of this fan, and this is the black wire is connected with the switch, and this is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. That is parallel connection. You see, this is the LED. The battery, the positive terminal of the battery is connected with the positive of the LED, and the negative terminal of the LED is connected with the switch. Here you see, this is the switch, and this switch is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. And again, this positive wire is connected with the LED, and the negative terminal of the LED is connected with a switch. Here you see, this is the switch, and this switch is connected with the negative terminal of the battery, and that is parallel connection. And we can see here that we can, if you switch on this switch, one LED will glow. You see, this LED will glow. You see, this LED is glowing, right? If you switch on this one, this switch, then the second LED will glow. Yes, it is. Both are working, right? This one is also working, and this LED is also working, right? And we switch on the third switch. Let's see what happens. Switch on the third switch. We are switching on the third one, and you see the fan is also working. All are working together because they are in parallel connection, 1, 2 and 3, right? And this is how we make the connection at home, because we want one bulb or two bulb or all the appliances at a time. That's why we make parallel connection at home. You have to remember that we make parallel connection at home, but the fuse is connected in series. Why? Because if there is a short circuit, the fuse will melt and it will break the circuit. That's why fuse is connected in series connection. You see here, the two LEDs are glowing at the same time. If you switch off one of the LED, it only one LED will glow. You see, only one LED will glow. This LED will only glow. Here one LED is glowing, right? If you switch on this one, both the LED will glow, and we switch on this one, all the three appliances will work together. You see, the fan is also working. This is parallel connection, right? If you switch off, the fan will in off position. If you switch off this LED, it goes off, and if you switch off this LED, it goes off. right? Now let's see whether two LEDs can work at the same time or not. Yes, switch on. Yes, it is working. Switch on, it is working. That means two LEDs are working together, right? See here, two LEDs are working together, right? And if you want one LED and one fan to work, it will also work. See here, I am switching off this one. This LED goes off. You see these LEDs glowing, and now we'll try for this fan and let's see what happens. Yes, it is working. You see here, one fan and one LED is working, right? Two LEDs are also working, and now we'll see all the appliances are working or not. Let us see. You see, this is also working, and if you switch all the lights, let's see what happens. You see, two LEDs are glowing. See, two LEDs are glowing and one fan is also working at the same time, and this is parallel connection. And if you remember that these connections are, we make parallel connections at home because sometimes you want all the appliances to work together or only one appliances at a time. You see here, all the appliances are working together. This LED and this fan at the home. In the same purpose, we can use only one fan, we can use two bulb at a time, or you can use one bulb at a time, or you can use all the appliances at the same time, right? That's why we make parallel connections at home, but the fuse is connected in series, because whenever there is a short circuit, the fuse will melt, all the connections will goes off, or there is a break in the circuit, right? And all the appliances will be protected, right? In this way we make various types of connections, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to be a member of our channel, we will give you some special videos for you which will be helpful for your channel to grow. We will make some videos only for the members, and those videos will be helpful such that those videos will be viral in few days and your channel will be monetized within few days. Dear friends, be our members. We have three membership. One is silver member, one is gold member, and the other is diamond member, right? Be our members and we make a special video for you. And if you make such type of videos, your videos will be viral within few days and your channel will be monetized. Dear friends, if you like this video, there are three membership. One is silver membership, one is gold membership, and the third one is diamond membership. Be our members and we'll make video only for members to make your videos viral, and your channel will be monetized within few days. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately whenever we upload those videos. Thank you for watching this video.